Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE Car tab that allows us to connect our smartphone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AutoLink and iPlay. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. Firstly, before I take the foil off, let's take a look at the original box. So on the front of the box we can check the name of our product, its functions and its specification. So firstly, we can see that our tab has a 9-inch IPS touchscreen. It allows us to connect with Bluetooth, USB, TF audio and video. We can use voice controls on this device and we can charge it via USB. Now let's take a look on the top of the box. Right here we've got the same info as on the previous side. And also we can see that we can connect SD cards and USB external device to our tab. We've got nothing on the bottom of the device. And on the other side we again got this info. Right here on the right edge of the device, of the box, we can see main features of this tab. So firstly we've got the phone link to take calls, listen to music or real-time navigation and more. In Bluetooth feature we've got support Bluetooth music and hands-free calls. Voice controls support Apple, Siri and Android voice controls. USB charger port. This is the specification of the charger port. Easy to install, 5 minutes to do, no skills are required. We'll see about it. FM transmitting. Connect into car audio by FM transmitting sounds. Aux output and camera. Supports review. Camera in reversing is safer. So basically that's it about our specifications and the box, and the last is this left side of the box where we can see more specifications like 1080 pixels touchscreen. Let's proceed with opening this box. In order to do it, first let's take the foil off. And now let's open the box. So we've got this nice package. I can see that everything is very safely packed and professionally. Right here on the top we've got the tab itself. Let's take a look what more we can find inside of the box. Firstly, we've got some cables. This one is to power outlet to connect our tab with the car to charge it. Let's take it on the side. Next we've got the holder, thanks to which we can connect our tab to the car to hold it. I think the best place to install our tab is on the dashboard. But I think also we can plug it to front windshield. Now let's take a look to the next cables. Here we've got the cables and the rear view camera. Thanks to this camera we can connect it to tab and we can see the surroundings of the car while reversing. Now we've got jack cable and the last part of the holder. Also, right here we've got CarPlay manual, and that's basically it. As you can see, everything right here is really good packed, everything is safe and on its place. We can easily select things we currently need for our device. Let's close the package. Let's put it somewhere else. And now let's take a look at our tab. We have to take it out of this foil. Let's try to do it without ripping it off, but I think it's not possible because it's very heavily sticked to the foil. And now let's take it out. As you can see, that's how our tab looks like. Right here on the back of it, we've got the holes to plug the holder to our device. On the top of it, we've got the power on button, and right here on the side, we've got the charger outlet, USB port, AV out, camera in, SD card and microphone port. And that's basically how the tab looks like. More videos and more tutorials will be available on our site. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.